What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the store opening of Xiaomi in Hungary, and they have like a couple of stuff for discounts. This is like the first time Xiaomi is going to open up in Hungary, and as you can see there are a couple of people. The line is so long. I was here at 10 o'clock and the event starts like 12. I thought I was going to be one of the first people to get here, but to my surprise everybody's here. It's a long line, it's 2 blocks around, it goes around the mall, but I've tried to get some things to talk about on the channel. I'm going to buy some stuff, I'm going to do a lot of unboxing. So you guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, so click on that button. Yeah, and let's get to it.
Nagyon köszönjük a médiapartnereknek, újságíróknak, illetve a nagy fanatikusoknak, akik a Xiaomiban hisznek, hogy itt vannak, és hát megnyitjuk Magyarországon az első V-Store-t.
Enjoy today, enjoy all the product. We believe we already bring the coolest product to all of you. Thank you for support.
A lényeg az, hogy mindenki élvezze ezt a napot, próbálja ki a termékeket, és köszönjük, hogy itt vagytok. És most jön a szalag átvágás, ami mindig egy hatalmas esemény, egy bolt megnyitó és minden más életében. Szóval fényképek, készületnek, videók, minden, hajrá!
What's up guys, so it's Mastercard and I'm in the store now. I just bought a couple of things and I'm going to be unboxing on my channel. There's a lot of people here, so we don't really have time to see much things. I tried to get my hands on the Poco phone, but yeah, it's like gets released on the 31st, so you can't really get it now. But on the 31st I'm going to be here to get do like a hands-on of the Poco phone. Until next time, I'm Mastercard. See you.